So as I explained on this paragraph on the website, in the fMRI experiment, we show a monkey a checkerboard pattern, which stimulates a certain pattern of activation, which makes it easy to identify which region of the visual cortex is V1, V2, V3, or V4. And the purpose of this picture is to outline approximately where these different regions are on the brain. So I have opened Job's data from the fMRI scan, and this is his pattern of activation. I'm going to upload an old label previously made of V3 to reference as I make a label for V4. Okay. And when I say make a label, this means that right now I will be outlining V4 on this brain, and this will create an outline on the pictures of the brain that tell me where I can color in to label V4. So this label is yellow right now because it is selected, which is sort of like when on the internet you highlight text and it's blue because that's selected. So you just click out of it and it's not. And I'm going to zoom in. So do it. Okay, so this is the previously made label of V3, and I want to label V4. So when you look at this picture, V4 goes halfway through the next color, supposedly. So on Job, that would be about here. So I just have to click an outline which would label V4 on Job's brain. And then I'm going to press this button, which shows like an overlay. So it's the inflated brain again without the pattern of activation, and it makes it easier to label following the V3 label because I can't really see. Once I click this label, it will turn yellow and I won't be able to see this line. And I want to follow this line so that I know the border between V3 and V4. So when I press this line, press that overlay, I see this inflated brain without the activation data on it. And I'm just going to continue labeling the border of V3 and V4. So now that I've made this outline of where V4 is, I will fill it in, like make a line, connect all of the dots. I'll press this, which does that. And then I'll fill it in. Whoops, that was the wrong button, sorry. Option, creating parts. So this allows me to fill it in. So that's the label that I just made. And I want to save it. Okay. Save. Yes, okay. So I've saved this before, so I don't really need to save it right now. But when I open it, I don't know if I wrote it on the website. This is the label I just made. And when I open it, so this label I just saved would save as a .label file, which is a file type that allows me to upload that label onto the pictures we took of Job's brain on the MRI scan. So this green line is actually the label we made from here. These two labels are the same.